Is your WMF Perfect Plus pressure cooker lid stuck and won't budge? Don't worry and avoid forcing it, as that can damage the locking mechanism. In this guide, we'll walk you through safe steps to open it without harm. First, safety comes first. Make sure the cooker is fully depressurized and cool. Look at the cooking indicator on the handle. If you see any orange or yellow rings, steam pressure remains inside. Wait until the indicator is completely flush with the handle before proceeding. Next, if the cooker is cool but still locked, a vacuum seal from condensation might be the cause. To fix this, place the pot on low heat for 30 to 60 seconds. This warms the air inside, balances the pressure, and allows the latch to move freely. If it remains stuck, the internal safety pin or metal ball could be jammed by food residue. Gently tap the top of the handle cover with the back of a wooden spoon. This vibration helps the safety pin drop and unlock the lid. Then, slide the locking latch open, hold both handles firmly, and twist the lid slowly. If the rubber gasket sticks to the rim, running cool tap water over the lid for a few seconds can help release it. Finally, to avoid future issues, clean the lid assembly regularly. Turn the lid over, unscrew the handle, and rinse the handle and safety valve under warm water to remove any buildup. Keeping these parts clean ensures smooth operation every time. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, share which step worked for you in the comments, and subscribe for more helpful kitchen tips.